Hello Magic Matt P Squad and welcome to a new video. Today is a special video. I've had a new delivery of ale from a company called Freshly, which my Uncle Ian recommended to me. And what they do is you choose a sample of ales. They do low percentage ones which I can only drink due to my epilepsy. So you just choose what you want. They give you a delivery slot and send it to you. So I received these this afternoon, so I thought I'd open them live on camera to show you what I've got and have a bit of a sample as well. So without further ado, let's crack her open. We have a list of ales that I've chosen, a magazine, some love corn. I think these are nuts actually. Hello there. Just so you know, we're a delicious gluten-free, vegan, salty, premium, crunching corn snack. P.S. We're crunchy, we're delicious sea salt. Yeah, I think they're nuts. Right, the ales. We have greetings from Suffolk, which is a bit of an OT number. Haze Phase. Haze Phase is a hazy pale ale that's low on bitterness, high in fruity hot character. We used LDR. I can't say that. We have blackcurrant oofed. So I assume that's a sour one. I think that one was the one that my uncle was going on about. Can't remember, I'll have to check the message. We have greetings from Vermont, which is a soft session strength IPA with low bitterness and full of fruity flavours inspired by modern brewing in Vermont, New England. I'm just going to choose one to sample. We have Brecon Blonde Ale, and they say, "Oh, to be an Irish clansman from the 16th century, Brecon law, deceased, that every local kingdom have a brewery." I don't want the history, I want the tasting notes. Anyway, got a blonde ale. Didn't have any tasting notes on it. We have Lockman Brewery. This is interesting because Lockman is actually a whiskey distillery. When I was ordering them, I didn't know that they had their own brewery. This is called Friday Paycheck, and it's a session IPA that has a grapefruit aroma, passion fruit and lemon flavours with a bitter and refreshing finish. I have another Lockman one. I've got a few Lockman ones, they all sounded interesting. It's called the Butterfly Collector, which is a blonde. Spicy marmalade aroma with orange flavours and a malty finish. Sounds different. We have a retro Jersey chick, which is a pale. crisp, clear and hoppy, we use traditional hops, Chinooks, Columbus and Centennial to create a bitter citrus forward beer. We've got Keepers are Great, which is an easy drinking ale that showcases one of our our favourite hops, Chinook, a clear citrus forward beer with dominating grapefruit profile. As you can tell, I like my fruity ales, especially passion fruit. And this one's called Kingdom IPL, which is an Indian Pale Lager, for those of you that were wondering. Tasting notes. We have Nano Cast, which is a session bitter. This is a Belgian Pale. Interesting. I've never tried any Belgian ales. This is called Greetings from Wallonia. I liked balanced pale ale with a touch of spice, bitterness and fruity Easters, inspired by the farmhouse brewing of Wallonia. I have another Nano. Got a Cascade, which is one of my favourite types of hops. My favourite types of hops are Amarillo and Cascade. No tasting notes in there. Ooh, I like that can. This is called London Fields. It's a small IPA. It's a very arty can. Again, no tasting notes on it. This is called Amarillo. No tasting notes on it, but I know it'll be nice because Amarillo's my favourite. One of my favourite types of hops, as I've already said. This is a juicy pale, so I assume it'll be a sour. This is called The Feeling. Again, very arty can. I like these short chevron effects. This is called The Pioneer from Glasgow. It's a mixture of lemon citrus with orange juice for an added extra flavour. It's basically a fruit salad. This is called Bright and Light Session Ale. And from the Midlands. It's called Let's Dance. It's an oat pale ale by Lockman. Loch Lomond, sorry, not Lochmond. Why do I keep saying Lochmond? This is called USA, and it's pale ale. This is called Maggie's Leaf. Oh, excuse me, and it's an IPA. And the last ale in the box, I'm going to crack one open, and is called the Shy Retirer. Any tasting notes? No. Right. If you want me to do more videos involving ale, like and subscribe. I've also set up a fan page for the channel on Facebook. If you follow my normal Facebook, I will add you to the group. Let's give this one a sample. Let's wait for it to calm down. Tastes like barley, wheat and hops. Oh, it is nicer. It's different. Yeah, so anyway. Cheers. So, like and subscribe if you're not already. I'll try and keep the videos coming. If I can't stick to Fridays, then I'll get them out Thursdays. Fridays is normally my gym day. I'm normally tired afterwards, so which is why I've been knocking them out on a Thursday, in case you're unsure. So on that note, keep chilling. Let's hear it for the ale. Cheers. Thank you and good night.